Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through how to delete multiple conversations on the Messenger app for PC with the latest update. If your chat list is getting cluttered and you want to clean it up, this process is simple and effective. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your computer. Ensure you're logged in so you can see all your conversations. Once you're in, look for the chat or group you want to delete. This might take a moment if you have many conversations, but just scroll through your list. Next, once you've found the chat or group you want to remove, hover your cursor over it. You'll notice 3 dots appear on the right side of the chat. Click on those dots to reveal more options. Now, select Delete Chat from the menu that appears. This option allows you to remove the conversation permanently. After selecting it, you'll be prompted to confirm your choice. Make sure you really want to delete the chat because this action cannot be undone. After confirming, the conversation will be permanently removed from your Messenger app. If you have more chats or groups to delete, simply repeat the process. Go back to your chat list, find the next conversation, hover over it, click the 3 dots, choose Delete Chat, and confirm again. Continue this process until you've cleared out all the conversations you no longer need. A tidy inbox can really enhance your messaging experience, allowing you to focus on the chats that matter most. And that's it. You've successfully deleted multiple conversations on the Messenger app. It's a quick and efficient way to keep your messaging organized.